on the ground to build new homes, and that's a problem if the aim is to make it more affordable for Canadians to buy. And as we hear from CTV's Paul Hollingsworth, the slowdown could carry on for several years.
The National Housing Agency of Canada says we may not be building enough homes to meet the federal government's goal of making housing more affordable. It's another setback for Cassandra McMullen, who wants to move with her family from Alberta to Nova Scotia.
If they built those new houses, Paul, we would not be able to afford a new build.
The Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation says 2025 will see fewer than 250,000 homes built, less than 240,000 in 2026, and the next year will see fewer than 235,000 new homes under construction in Canada. But last year, the federal government's housing plan predicted more than 500,000 housing construction projects would start per year until 2031. Based on price and lack of options, McMullen can't be overly selective about where she buys her next home.
We have to look at the entire province and find the house that fits us.
In an email, the Office of the Federal Housing Minister told CTV News the government is laser focused on protecting and defending our national interest, especially when it comes to the housing market. Developer Vadi Fairs says a labor shortage and overseas supply chain issues have caused a slowdown. The entire industry is also bracing for lower immigration levels and a potential trade war.
That's creating a big problem for us. And the interest rate is still very high. So really, the projects, they're coming in at a very high cost.
CMHC's latest forecast also predicts rental affordability in Canada will improve in the near future.
There is a bit of vacancy in the market, but that it is in the high-cost market.
Fairs warns construction supplies are more costly than ever, which means new rental properties may soon become too expensive for many Canadians. Paul Hollingsworth, CTV News, Halifax.